Hello, my name is Artem and I would like to demo Peerful to you. Peerful is an app for online peer review. To use the app, you simply need to log in with your Elsevier account. This means accounts from Mendeley, eVice, or any other Elsevier products will work. We're logged in. Let's create a new review. You can use documents directly from your Mendeley library. Let me quickly switch to my Mendeley library. Here, I have a sketchpad paper I saved before. Back in Peerful, you can see sketchpad paper in the select box. Let's upload a new document. New documents are also uploaded directly to the Mendeley library. If I refresh, I can see my uploaded paper. You can also notice freshly created Peerful folder, where all your Peerful reviews will be grouped together. Let's proceed. On this screen, you can edit the title of a review. It is time to add reviewers. However, it is also possible to start using the app already, just by yourself, without adding any reviewers. I added those reviewers just by typing their names. The app will generate a special access link for each reviewer. It is also possible to add people from Mendeley. I follow Elaine on Mendeley. Let's add her as a reviewer. Everything looks good. Let's create this review. On Dashboard, you can see the status and the link for each reviewer. To give access, for example, to Alan, I copy the link and I send it to him through email or instant message. Let's pretend I already did that so that we can move on to the reviewer functionality. Reviewer starts with this screen. Once accepted, reviewer sees the manuscript. At this point, editor can see the reviewer started the work. While reading the paper, reviewer can start highlighting important or confusing parts. You can add comments and text to your highlight. Let's add one more. It is also possible to do image highlights. In the sidebar, you can jump to each highlight to quickly find it in the manuscript. All changes are saved automatically, like in Google Docs. Now let's finish a manuscript report. Reviewer can enter comments for the author and for the editor. By default, highlights are private, but you can click Attach to Report to make them available for the editor. There are some additional questions. Overall recommendation: accept. After clicking Submit, you get a preview, where you can double-check everything. Afterwards, there is a small survey. Let's move back to the editor interface. Editor can now see that one review is now completed. Editor gets the same user interface as reviewer. In the sidebar, editor can see all the highlights attached by reviewers. It is possible to edit any comments made by reviewers. If you made a mistake, you can revert back to the original version of the comment. In the Reports tab, there is a summary for comparing feedback from all reviewers. Editor can see summary and final recommendation for each reviewer. There is an option to generate a PDF with all the highlights embedded inside, so that you can share it with the author. Editor can also enable author access. This will generate a special link for the author, which will open a read-only version of the review. Thank you for watching this demo, and I hope you've got a small glimpse into the future of online peer review.